Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery on an Audi A3 key. First, gather your materials: a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob functioning perfectly. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the metal key blade retracts. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to pry open the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to separate the casing without damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note which way the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Now, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Once removed, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the key fob's functions, such as locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.